For this project, we'll start with a magic circle, a round of single crochet and a round of waistcoat stitches. Then we'll do 23 rows of Tunisian crochet before slip stitching around the top edge and making the tail end. I used approximately 38 meters of our 3mm Matilda braided cord, which is 8 wraps per inch. And 5.5mm crochet hooks. The leaf measures approximately 26 centimeters. I've lightly steamed the project from the back with an iron to make it sit flat. We're going to start with a magic circle. Make 12 single crochet into the circle. Slip stitch to close the round and chain 1. The second round we'll do in waistcoat stitch. Insert your hook between the vertical posts of the stitch from the previous round. Make sure you're also going through the vertical posts at the back of the stitch. Crochet 2 waistcoat stitches in each single crochet around. You should have 24 stitches total. Slip stitch in the first stitch to close the round. Chain 2. Now we'll start Tunisian crochet. The first row, this will be our forward pass. Insert your hook through the back loop of the first chain and draw up a loop. Then insert your hook into the back loop and the back bump of the next stitch from the previous round and draw up a loop. You should now have 3 loops on your hook. For the return pass, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 1 at the end of each return pass. For the second row, insert your hook in the bump at the top of this stitch. Pull up a loop, insert your hook into the back of this stitch and pull up a loop. Insert your hook into the back loop and back bump of the next stitch from the previous round and draw up a loop. You should now have 4 loops on your hook. For the return pass, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 1. For the third row, insert your hook in the bump, pull up a loop. Repeat that for the next stitch. Insert your hook into the back of this stitch, pull up a loop. Insert your hook into the back loop and back bump of the next stitch from the previous round and draw up a loop. You should now have 5 loops on your hook. Now for the return pass. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops 4 times and chain 1. Continue this way around the base, increasing a stitch each row. This is the result after 23 rows of Tunisian crochet. It's not going to sit flat initially, but a light steam will rectify that. This is the foundation row, don't count that. This is the slip stitch you created to close the waistcoat stitch round. Now slip stitch into the bumps of the last row . and the back of the last stitch. Now slip stitch into the slip stitch. Chain 12, skip 6 chains and slip stitch down the back side of the chains. Cut the cord and weave in the ends. Now lightly steam the project with an iron from the back to make it sit flat.